Himdesakai, Diazbulisela, Namslanje. We are really in alignment. Uba kukho imoto that you love with your whole heart, indlela yonke le uyihambayo uzawumana udibana nale moto. It's amazing how aligned we are. People are saying biofuels has been hacked, but our biofuels are hackiwe because uthi xa ucinga ngento ibe phambi kwakho. Ndithe ndathetha ke ngale nto ngaphambili. Bethunana, we are in alignment. We are in alignment. Tell me, who can hack le nto yokubana mna ngoku ndicinga ngemoto ethile ithi gqi phambi kwam? Like the car that it's my dream car. Njoba ndithathe walk this morning ithi gqi phambi kwam. So who hacked that? I think we give these people, the matrix, credit too much. The same way Christians give Satan credit too much. Let's stop this, Betunan. We are in alignment. So we are calling the shots, Betunana. It's our time. It is done. Kwenzekile okudaliweyo kuyenzeka ngoba ubumnyama badilika kudala. So why do you give people credit that don't deserve? You are in alignment. That's why uthi xa ucinga lento uyicingayo uthi gqingayo. That's why uthi xa ucinga content ethile uvele i-FYP yakho iphithizele yona. There is no one who has hacked your biofield. Yekani beni itatazela man. Friends, let me finish my walk. Happy New Week. Love and light.